was able to find this original 1980s period fan, nice and chromy, ready to go. It's made in Taiwan, so we know it's from the 80s. Got it at a swap meet for about £2 or £3. Delighted. So the question is then, up here, which isn't really in the way. If I put it there, it's not too much in the way.
No.
I like to put it further back.
Yes.
That looks really cool, to be honest.
It looks better there.
It could go up here.
Yep.
Which has got its own set of issues. Or it could go on here.
Now, while you were messing around just a minute ago, I did have an idea of actually putting an extra bit of wood on there, lifting it up, so therefore you can still use your cup holder. Was an idea.
That's not a bad idea.
Because actually, that wouldn't take a lot to put a block of wood there.
That could, that could be a temporary fix to get it working, couldn't it?
Yes.
That's not so bad.
That's not so bad either. The only thing is, how does it look when it comes to oncoming cars? Because just remember, we're in this country, and the Americans put seats in the wrong side.
I can't see a thing.
So a bit like normal then.
But then imagine if I had a big supercharger. Same issue. Well, not in the van, obviously, because it's here.
The engine's here.
If it was a car.
The only issue you'd have is burning to death.
Yeah, well, that's a poor example, admittedly.
I like it there.
I must admit, I'd like to put it there. We've taken the fan, we've put on a connector for it, and I've also sorted out the reversing camera, so it's got a connector, bracket for the fan. Just need to find a better way to connect these into the wiring loom. All the work on the workbench is now complete. We have a 12-volt connector coming from the top of the roof console to the fans. I said it would make sense. The bracket is now, as you can see, underneath the roof console. So that's it, the fan is now up, the fan is in the van. So we can now do a quick acid test, see if my wiring is up to the job. This should be the reversing camera. Success. This should be our funky lights. And lastly, this should be our fan. Fantastic. Did I tell you, Chris, I learned 3 important things.
Go on.
Firstly, in the olden days, like in the 80s, the fan enclosure did not encompass the entirety of the fan. Secondly, the fan blades are made of rigid plastic that don't deform should you get your fingers caught. The third thing I learned is the old style motors were very powerful and keep the blades turning no matter how many fingers you've got trapped in the fan. Holy cow!
Holy shit, and you've still got your fingers. Shit, what's that gonna look like? Oh my god, that's a perfect. Where's the rest? Where's it all gone?
It's all over the place.
You gotta say, don't move.
Moving?
Yeah, don't move. Hang on, hang on.
Everywhere. There's carrot all over the dashboard and over the steering.
Mr. Carrot's dead.
Holy cow! That was my fingers.
You're lucky.
I said it hurt. No one believed me.
That's one dead carrot.
On that kettle, on that bombshell, now on that note, I can't think. I'm scared. Never mind back to the kettle, back to the whiskey.
Oh, back to the A&E. This is Ed now cleaning up all the carrot.
There's carrot everywhere.
He's covered in carrot.
What I cannot believe, Chris, that was my fingers a few weeks ago.
Yeah.
When I stuck my fingers in that
could have been your fingers. So it'd been claret, not carrot.
I mean, I said it hurt. I didn't realise quite how.
Lucky you were.
No, because I mean, look, it literally.
It's all over the wheel.
There's carrot everywhere. It's all over the down. It's all over the door.
You're gonna have to get out and declare it yourself.
It's all over the seat. Steering wheel. That was my fingers. It's like a massacre. It's like a salad in here.